As the best formula today. And I've been talking about 6 mm, 3 mm, 9 mm, and upward. So whichever one you want to produce for your fish, in this particular channel, which is Adult Farm, I will be teaching you guys one after the other, and I want you guys to follow the step so you can get it and you can start formulating fish feed from your feed. Actually, you can get the machine also. The machines used for this particular formulations, they are affordable for whichever person that has money to purchase it. They are affordable for you guys. So in our home particular place, we fabricate these particular machines So you can do the same to yours if you want to use this particular machine for your own formulations. Although that is not the place that we are going to today. Today we are just basically we are talking about how you can formulate your 6 mm. Why do I always emphasize on this 6 mm? The reason is that's I mean 6 mm are they are the most common feed that people are asking for. Although due to the fact that they are fish has reached maturity state or they are close to maturity state, so they will be producing 6 mm for them. There are particular ways, particular different formula, different things entirely, different items that will combine together to formulate these particular formulas. You understand? So today, basically, I want you to know that if you want to produce your 6 mm in Nigeria, there are and I mean there are items that you can combine together to formulate your 6 mm using your extruding machines, like I've said earlier, because our particular machine is an extruding machine, and like I said, you can purchase it. You can purchase it. It's affordable for you guys. If you want to do your own feed me company in Nigeria, you can fabricate these particular machines and you start working. Although if you are looking for people that will guide you, or people that will look for people that can fabricate something like that for you, or you are looking for maybe the price or the price of those machines, I can tell you and I can tell you the right machines to buy if you want to start up your own feed mill in Nigeria. So basically, we are talking about how you can formulate your 6 mm. If you want to formulate your 6 mm and you want the protein content in your fish meal to be more or to be accurate or to be correct, then there are items that you can combine together to formulate your 6 mm. Number one of them is maize. Maize is very, very important. Is very, very important. You can't do without maize. It's an energy feed also because maize, the protein content is very, very high. And another thing that you need to know is your GNC. Your GNC, your groundnut cake, is very, very important also in our formulations. Without the GNC, your formulation is not okay. I'm telling you the honest truth, your formulation can never be okay. So most at times, a lot of we guys they are novice out there. So we didn't know things that they combine together to formulate our feed. Most of the time we just go to the feed me company and we just say, okay, I want to buy 6 mm for my fish. And we didn't even bother to ask what are the things that you guys are combining to formulate this particular feed for my fish. And that is making my fish to go very well. So here is an opportunity for you because you know why? You have learned everything about it. You have known everything about it. So even though you went to the feed me company, there is no need for you to ask questions again. And if at all you want to ask some questions, then it all depends on maybe what are the protein contents in my feed. That is the only thing that you can ask. So one thing that you must know that if you want to formulate your fish feed, then the number one thing I need to know is you must have your maize, your GNC, and you must have your soya beans also. Get your soya beans, then you add biscuit to it. If you want that formula to be okay, you add biscuit to it. You can add garri to it to make your fish. To get weight to be very heavy. You can add garri to it. Your wheat, you add your wheat brown to it, your corn brown, your bone, and some other ingredients to it to make your feed balanced. And like I'm telling you, it's a floating feed. If you combine all those things together, it's a floating feed. So if you want to learn more on how you can formulate your feed and you want to know the percentage of how you can formulate all those things together to get your fish formulation, then do all to contact me. Mind you, it's not for free, but I'm not going to give you too much price on it, but I'll still give you an accurate amount and a percentage of these ingredients, and you're going to formulate a nice fish formulation for your fish, especially if we are talking about the 6 mm. You're going to do the nice one. Apparently, before I started this speech, that video that you guys saw right there, those ingredients, those are the list of ingredients that we combine together. We have them together. After adding them, you can see that we are grounding them already. So that is how we used to ground it. And after grounding, we take it to the mixer, we mix it. Then we take it to the pelletizer machines and we start pelleting it. At the end of this video, you'll be seeing where we are pelletizing these particular ingredients. So it's coming out in form of seed. It's very nice, and this is our 6 mm. You can see it's very, very beautiful. You see it is very, very beautiful and you love it. and the protein content in it is very very high. So if you give it to your fish will grow very very okay, and you be proud that you actually got this formula. So please, if you are new in this channel, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, turn the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop a new content like this for you. Please
And
do well, give me a thumbs up and like this video. Bye for now.